Kipsters, I'm going to quickly show you how to use the draw feature, which you're going to use next to annotate to find the point of view, okay? And so I want to just highlight a few different features down here. So here's a pen, and you can see you can draw with a pen. Here's a highlighter. It'll have you add a text box, pictures, or an eraser. We're only going to be using the highlighter and the text box today, okay? And so what I'm going to have you do is in the text box, you're going to write what point of view it is. So if it's third person, you can just put third. If it's first person, you can say first, okay? And then I'm asking you how you know. And so I want you to highlight something within the text. For example, if this text is in first person, and I know this because the character says I, so I know a character in the story is telling it. So I'm going to say first person, and then I'm going to use my highlighter tool, and I am going to highlight I, and that shows me that you know that it is first person because a character is speaking and they use words like I, okay?